Hello student. Um, Today we will discuss the different process of designing FIR filter. In previous video we already discussed the windowing method and now we will continue with sampling method. So what are the steps? First just discuss about the step how we can design by using sampling frequency technique FIR filter. So now continue, that is design step of FIR filter using sampling but frequency sampling technique. So the first step, that is before starting the mathematics, you definitely consider whatever is given, means your length of the filter will be given, your cutoff frequency, that is omega c, will be given. So all these things will be given definitely. So now calculate the desired frequency response, that is HD. So by using this formula and whatever the range of omega c is given, you have to consider by within this range it will be the formula, and for others it will be the 0. So by using this m is nothing but your n, means I am here using m instead of written n, I am writing m. So don't worry about the m or n, or don't confused about the value of m. It is your length, means n or m is the same over there. So by using this formula we can calculate HD, or maybe it will be given. So come to the next calculation of h of k. Writing HD, we are writing h of k because here different value of k we have to use, like different value of n, different value of k we have to use as per your length, and different value of HD or omega we have to calculate. So the next step is calculation of h of k. So before a calculation h of k, we use means we calculating here omega. Omega value is nothing but 2 pi k by m. M is n. So as say if n equals to 7, so definitely the value of k will be 0 to 6 because m minus 1. So different, by using different omega we can calculate the value of different k, means h of 0, h of 1, h of 2, h of 3, h of 4, h of 5, 6, like in such a way we can calculate h of k by using this formula. So now that's why I am writing here modify the range of k, as different k h of k we have to calculate. Then the next step, that is calculation of h of n. As per h of k we have to use h of n, as we are different n is given. So if your length is 7, so definitely n value will be 0 to 6. So different n will be you have to put different the value of n as per k, and then calculate the whole h of n. Means if we have h of 0, so 1 by m h of 0 plus here look k equals to 1 to p. The value of p you have to calculate. If m value means length is odd or length is even, as per length even or odd, different value of m will be p will be there. You have to put the limit, and the real part of this value we have to use. So that are the step. This, by using these 3 steps we can calculate, means we can design FIR filter using frequency sampling technique. So let's start one example so that we can understand all the process. So now come to the one example, that is design FIR filter using frequency sampling technique. And this is given, that is determine impulse response or design FIR filter. The same question may come, means the same designing of FIR filter or determine the impulse response, then that is the same thing you have to do. So whatever is given, first discuss this thing, that is HD e to the power j omega this, and that will be the omega c, means this is the cutoff frequency pi by 2, and then otherwise 0. Okay, fine. Use m, means the length is given 7. Use frequency sampling approach or frequency sampling technique. So the first step, whatever we are using over there, you have to consider the value of omega or value of n means whatever the first step, e to the power j omega n minus 1 মানে m minus 1 by 2. So here m equals to 7, so m minus 1 by 2, 7, 6 by 2, that is 3 for this range, whatever is given in your question, otherwise it will be 0. Okay, next come to the step 2, that is calculate h of k. So whatever we already discussed, that is modify range of k, we have to use over there. So different value of k we have to taking, means as length is 7, so k value will be from 0 to 6. We have to put each and every value, and omega we have to calculate. Okay, so now put the value of k here. Okay, so whatever the value of h of k we have to calculate right now. So as per value of length we have to discuss over there, and then we have to calculate as per. So now here we can understand that is our length is given, that is 7, but here some limit change we have to do further, means to go further. So whatever the limit we have to calculate here, it is 0 omega greater than or equals to pi by 2, means cutoff frequency. So here the same thing we are using, means omega value is given, that is 2 pi k by m. So 2 pi k by n means 7. So something we have to do here to get the value of h of k, means it is your k. So now just simplify the limit. So whenever we have this limit, we can simplify this pi, or this pi will be cancelled out. Forget about this portion. So if we consider these two, this pi and this pi will be vanish, this 7 will be get over there, and these 2 will be get here, means we are calculating the value of k. Say it is equal, greater than equal to, means if it is considered as equal, so pi will be cancelled out, means equation. How we can solve a equation? Just think this thing, pi will be cancelled out, these 2 will be go there, and this 7 will be go there. So 7 by 4, in right hand side it will be 7 by 4, and here k, so k 7 by 4 for this limit. And whenever we calculate this thing, this pi will be cancelled out, this 4 and this 7, so 7 by 4. But whenever we are going in here, so this pi will be cancelled out, this 7 will be go there, and this 2 will be go there, means 7 by 2. The same thing we are doing over there. So put the value, that is 6 pi k, means whatever we have, means as we have m, so 7, so m minus 1 it will be 6. We are putting the value of m here, like 2 pi 6, 3 pi means 2 pi k by m we are putting here, and that will be 6 pi, means multiply, after getting multiplication we are getting 6 pi k by 7. Okay, fine. And then in such a way, whatever we discuss here, we just keep it here, means 0 k 7 by 4, and here 7 by 4 k 7 by 2. We just simplify the limit portion in such a way, so that we can continue further. So now 7 by 4, what is the value of 7 by 4? Just do division. 7 by 4, 1.75, that is near equals to 2. That's why I am writing here 2. 7 by 4 is 2, but 7 by 2 is 3.5, so near equals to 4. That's why we are getting h of k equals to this value for that limit, value of k, range of k. And whenever 0, it will be the same limit. So just simplify and write. So that is called modification of k, and in such a way we can calculate h of k. And now come to the next step, is the last step, that is calculate h of n. By using the formula, we should remember the value of p. Here m value is 7, so 7 minus 1 by 2, that is 3. So m is here odd, so we just put the value h of k. K value is whenever 0 we are getting 1. Okay, because we have h of 0, so h of 0, the same process or same formula we will use, that is h of k means k value 0, so it will get e to the power 0, so nothing but 1. So always we are putting 1 definitely here. So now come to the next step and real part, how we can calculate this portion. It is a very, now write the formula 1 by 7 1 plus the real part, as the value of p is 3, but whenever we are calculating we are getting 2, k value limit 2. So instead of putting 3 we will put here 2, remember it. So whatever the range we have to consider this thing. So now just put 1 as per equation, and next solve this portion. And now real part, what is the formula? E to the power I theta cos theta plus I sin theta. So this real part is only, because we are considering only real part, so the real part for e to the power I theta is cos theta, so only consider cos theta. So theta will be here, if we say means if we comparing these two, e to the power theta, so that portion will be theta. So just here, and real part of e to the power I theta means only cos theta, so I am writing cos theta, because this is the theta, this is the theta and that portion, and solve it as per the value of n. How we do DFT, that is when n equals to 0, this n equals to 1, put here 1, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 6. In such a way we are getting 7 or 6, whatever the value of n, we are getting h of n, and that are the your answer. So dear student, I think you can understand. Please solve it as per formula, as per step. By using these 3-4 steps we can understand definitely, or you can design your FIR filter by using sampling frequency or sampling technique. Thank you for watching.